Ever wondered how much power lies in the simple acts of moving more and eating right? Welcome to a journey of revelation that explores the profound benefits of exercise and healthy eating. Have you ever considered that the simple act of walking, running, swimming, or any type of physical activity can be a formidable weapon against many health issues? That's right. Regular exercise does more than just keep you fit and trim. It increases your lifespan, improves your mood, boosts your energy levels, and even sharpens your mind. Imagine a scenario where your body functions at its peak, your mind remains sharp as a tack, and you're brimming with vibrant energy. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, this could be your reality with regular exercise. Exercise has a direct impact on several body systems. It makes your heart stronger, reducing the risk of heart disease. It helps control blood sugar levels, preventing diabetes. It can also improve your mental health, reducing your risk of depression and anxiety. But that's not all. Exercise helps you sleep better, improves your bone health, and even reduces the risk of certain cancers. It's like a magic pill, but instead of swallowing it, you sweat it out. Now pair this powerful tool with the right fuel, a healthy diet. When you eat right, you feed not only your body, but also your soul. A balanced diet is packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. It's not about strict limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Rather, it's about feeling great, having more energy, and improving your outlook on life. A healthy diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. It's low in saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, salt, and added sugars. These foods provide your body with the necessary fuel to perform at its best, both mentally and physically. Consider this. Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables helps protect you against a variety of diseases, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and some types of cancer. Whole grains provide essential nutrients, including fiber, which aids digestion and helps control weight. Lean proteins help build and repair tissues, while healthy fats provide energy and support cell growth. So the next time you feel the urge to skip that workout or reach for that unhealthy snack, remember the power that lies in exercise and healthy eating. Embrace these habits and watch as they transform your life. Remember, every step you take, every vegetable you eat, brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. It's a journey, not a destination. So start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. You have the power to change your life. The choice is yours. So, why wait? Start moving more and eating right today. It's never too late to start living a healthier life. It's not about being perfect. It's about being better than you were yesterday. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay active, eat healthy, and live your best life. Until next time, remember your health is your wealth.